Hello traders, welcome to Zion Traders. So today we'll be analyzing GBPAUD, right? So from what we can see right here, GBPAUD is actually still bullish on the weekly time frame, as you can see right here. So price broke structure bullish from here. If you take a look at it, just zoom closely, you're going to see that there's a swing high there that was broken higher to the upside, and then price has actually returned right now to this order block, right? As you can see right here. So we are currently at the weekly order block, right? So let's go to the daily time frame for which to see things more clearly, right? So on the daily time frame, price broke structure bullish, and the same thing actually, we are still bullish in terms of market structure. Overall, we are actually still bullish, right? So on the daily time frame, so we'll just bring this down here, and we are still have our break of structure bullish, and then price returned back into this order block, and we can see when price came here, we were able to take a trade from here, although it closed on break even, and then price actually traded higher, right? So um when price was coming, I want you to take a look at the price action so you know the reason, have an idea of why price refused to take out to break above this high. So actually, this very candle here, before price came traded lower to break structure bearish here, right? So price actually came and actually swept liquidity residing above this high, right? So after uh, price broke structure, so this very order block became a very strong order block. Why? Because it took out liquidity previously before price broke structure, right? So you should take note of that when you're doing your analysis, because gold actually did something like this, same thing like this, right? So and price also respected the order block, right? So gold was bearish. I was on short, very well on short, almost 1000 pips plus. But then gold actually traded back into an order block like this that took out structure. Let's quickly take a look at it actually. So we see gold, this very candle here. You see this very order block. You see how it took up liquidity from this very low, and then you see how gold traded back into it and respected it. That's the same thing. I took my shot around this point, just right here. I took a set from here. But then you see now, so after price respected this GBP AUD, right? So price respected it, traded lower, and I actually was thinking that price was still going to take it out since we were overall bullish. So I took a buy from here, although it hit my take profit already before price came lower to break structural bearish again. And then when price traded higher, I took another sell from here because I saw that price was not even ready to even buy, right? To break out from this very zone, right? So the point now is currently we see that AUD is back to this order block again. Before price actually traded up to this point, and then you see how price started selling bearish, like very aggressively again. There's actually obviously a fundamental reason behind this, right? So let's go to our forex factory right now. So on our forex factory, we can see that AUD cash rate, which is interest rate, it came out above the expected, right? So the expectation was, or the forecast was 3.6%, but then it remained at 3.85%. So this is actually very good. In fact, this is the reason why you see AUD is very strong, right? So let's go back. You can see this is on 7th of July, right? So that news was released on 8th, and you can see ever since that news was released, it was it became very strong, right? Likewise on AUD USD, right? So very strong also, right? So that's pretty much it. So what should we expect right from here right now? But first, since there's a fundamental reason behind all of this set, and GBP is not encouraging because GBP's GDP for MOM month over month came, it actually shrank. It came out negative, as you can see right here. So this is not good for GBP as well. So we are expecting this sell to continue. But before we take any buy, any sell, we would love to see price trade back into internal range liquidity. It could be a fair value gap, it could be this order block. So we would love to see price trade back into this zone, and then before the sell. So if you want to counter trade, you could actually take a buy from here, expecting price to trade into this zone, right? So you could take a buy from here, expecting price to trade into this zone. But once price trades into this zone, two things could happen. So once you take your buy from here right now, you should be exiting, right? Maybe when you, anytime you should exit on time, right? However, personally, I'm still very bullish. I won't lie to you, I'm still bullish on GBP AUD, right? I'm still bullish, right? So I'm still bullish. So if there's any fundamental reason at all, anything that favors the GBP, right? So we could see this level will get broken, right? So this very level, it could be broken any moment, right? So but then for now we are actually bearish, like internally, not externally. Externally, we are bullish, right? So, but internally, reading the price action, if you want to scalp, if you want to day trade, you should actually be selling. So that's pretty much it, guys. But then once this low is taken out, my expectation will change, right? Like something like that, price will come back and then massive sell, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. If you like what I do here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you, guys.